Things to look for in a man. 8 attributes you should look for in a man to have a relationship with him. I am shocked by women who say that all men are the same or that all are trimmed with the same scissors. I have never liked generalizations, and I feel that we should have the ability to recognize a great man for his attributes, and for me, are the following. 1. Makes you laugh. This is basic. A great man will always have the ability to make you laugh, especially when you need it most. I could not imagine a life next to a man who does not take a little smile out of you. 2. Looks into your eyes. A look is worth 1,000 words, and when the man next to you looks you deeply in the eyes, is something you really should value. When he does, he is trying to see beyond you, see your soul, know you much more. 3. Behaves like your best friend. I've always thought that your boyfriend should be your best friend first. He should make you feel that complicity that friends have and should give you the confidence of being able to tell him everything. 4. Who motivates you and supports you in your decisions. You need a partner by your side that can motivate you in what you like, to give you that hand so you can move on. It is a great attribute that supports you in the decisions you make, and of course, it is also that person who helps you see beyond what you see, who is your ground wire. 5. Who makes you feel the most beautiful woman in the world. Let's be honest, women by nature are vain, so if the man we are with tells us that we are beautiful, that we are incredibly well dressed, or that we have the prettiest eyes, it is something that can melt us. As long as he says it from the heart because he really thinks so. 6. Dreamer. Who doesn't want a man who dreams next to you? That man will never stop giving his best so that your life is better and together you can fulfill many of your dreams. 7. Who makes you feel safe? Many say that when we look for a man we do it thinking about our parents, that father figure we want our husband to be, and that means we feel safe while we are with him and think that nothing bad can happen by his side. 8. Who makes you feel that you are his complement, not his need. There is a big difference between love and need. A man should not be with a woman out of necessity, but because he really thinks that she is his complement. That is why I am so against couples saying, "I need you." Nobody needs anyone and everyone can live without someone. 9. Expresses his feelings and shows them to you. That, in addition to showing you with details and with acts that he loves you, also takes the time to tell you that he loves you, that he is happy to be with you and can give you hundreds of smiles. Who has a balance between what he does and what he says. Remember to subscribe to this channel and share this video. If you want to learn more about the things to look for in a man, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.